Today, some heavy hitters with a heart went to bat today at Safeco to help young people in need. A who's who from the Seattle sports, music, and cultural scene squared off to raise money for homeless youth programs for the United Way of King County. Mariner greats Edgar Martinez and Jay Buhner joined forces with Sonics legend Gary Payton and writer Sherman Alexie for this benefit softball and kickball game. And Seahawk Golden Tate got his kicks in. Well, sort of. Pearl Jam's Jeff Ament also got in on the swing of things. He may have flied out to center here, but the event was a hit for struggling kids.
It's a great cause, and I think it's great to see everybody get behind this and raise some money.
The way this community has come together for this event is incredible. The Mariners have been unbelievable. It's just been a great event.
Well, how great. We checked, and the game brought in $1.1 million to help the estimated 1,000 homeless young people in King County. Now to the active Mariners. They had King Felix on the hill tonight.